to our channel Tutorial Guru again. Hope you're doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing how to get to your direct messages in TikTok. And now, without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now let's go to TikTok. Let's first open our app to get to our direct messages and go. And after we have landed it, you can see the inbox option on the bottom of your screen. Just tap there, and you can see the airplane icon on the top right corner of your phone. I repeat, you can see the airplane icon in the top right corner of your phone. Just tap there, and these are the people whom you can directly message in your TikTok. For me, there are not a lot of people, a bunch of people, and there are people whom you cannot directly message. For example, when you see this icon, the three icons over here with the double arrowing sign, that if that icon is present, then you can send a direct message to that person, which means that they're following you and you can send a direct message to them. And if not, the many of the profiles here do not have that double arrowed icon with a person, so these accounts we will not be able to send direct messages. It will say messages cannot be sent since this user isn't following you. First we need to follow them and they need to follow back, and then you will be able to direct message that person. Getting to your direct message and sending messages in TikTok is this easy. Thank you guys, peace.